Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Let's take a ride into the future, one where freedom, sustainability, and creativity meet on three wheels. Welcome to the Trivagabond Camper Tricycle, where the open road becomes your living room, your workspace, and your sanctuary. This isn't just a mode of transportation. It's a lifestyle choice, a philosophy, and a bold statement in an age where minimalism and environmental responsibility matter more than ever. At its core, it's an electric assist tricycle that's been engineered to serve as a tiny, mobile home. Imagine a microcamper crossed with a utility trike, designed to carry not only the essentials for life on the road, but also to offer comfort, flexibility, and an ultra-low environmental footprint. The Trivagabond isn't built for speed. It's built for presence. It's built to slow things down, to take in the landscapes, the towns, the coastlines, and the small, quiet roads that bigger vehicles can't reach. You're not flying past the world, you're becoming a part of it. The frame is lightweight but strong, crafted from high-grade aluminum or recycled steel, depending on the model. It supports a well-balanced three-wheel design that offers stability whether you're climbing a forest trail or parked for the night on a scenic overlook. Mounted above the rear axle is the camper pod. That's where the magic happens. It's compact but intelligently designed, kind of like a Swiss Army knife of living spaces. You've got a fold-out bed that doubles as a lounge seat during the day. Underneath, smart storage compartments keep your gear, food, and tools neatly tucked away. There's even a modular kitchenette that slides out from the side, complete with a single burner stove, a small sink with a gravity-fed water system, and a prep area. On the roof? Solar panels. They're wired into a lithium battery system that powers your lights, charges your devices, and supports the electric assist motor. That means you can cruise for miles with a little help, all while recharging from the sun. And speaking of range, the Trivagabond isn't meant to replace a car, but with a full charge and moderate pedaling effort, you can easily cover 40 to 60 kilometers a day. That's more than enough to explore new ground, stop when you like, and truly enjoy the journey. Let's be honest, space is limited. But that's the whole point. Every item you bring along has a purpose. Every decision, what to eat, where to go, how to spend your time, is more intentional. There's a beautiful simplicity in that. And when it comes to comfort, the camper is surprisingly cozy. Insulated walls help regulate temperature, and window hatches provide ventilation and natural light. Many users customize theirs with fold-down desks, hammock mounts, or even compact composting toilets. It's all about shaping the space to fit your needs. Connection to the environment, as you move slowly and tread lightly. Connection to the community, because this vehicle invites curiosity and conversation wherever you go. People want to know, what is it? Where are you going? How does it work? And maybe most importantly, connection to yourself. When you live in a space this small, when you move at this pace, there's nowhere to hide from your own thoughts. That can be challenging, but also incredibly freeing. The Trivagabond is ideal for solo travelers, creatives, minimalists, and anyone drawn to the idea of slow travel. It can be your weekend escape pod, your full-time home, or even a mobile studio. Some users write novels on the road. Others make music, paint, or document their journeys for a growing online audience. And yes, it's budget-friendly. You can build one yourself from plans or kits for a fraction of what a car or RV would cost. Maintenance is low, fuel is solar and pedal power, and parking is as simple as finding a level spot off the road. Over time, we've seen these trikes pop up across cities and countrysides, from urban nomads using them as stealth campers, to forest wanderers setting up seasonal base camps in national parks. Each one reflects the personality and priorities of its owner. No two are exactly alike. There's something deeply human about traveling this way. No rushing. No honking traffic. Just the rhythmic sound of tires on pavement, or gravel, or dirt as you make your way forward. You begin to appreciate the details again. The changing light. The textures of the road. The kindness of strangers offering water or a smile. It's not always easy. Rainy days happen. Hills can be hard work. But even those moments become part of the story, part of the growth. And the Trivagabond community? It's growing fast. Online forums, local meetups, group rides, and builder workshops are popping up all over. It's a movement, a quiet one, but powerful. So if you're feeling the pull toward freedom, toward sustainability, toward a simpler way of life, maybe it's time to start building your own tricycle camper. Or at least take a test ride. Because out there on the open road, with the wind in your face and everything you need within arm's reach, you just might find exactly what you've been looking for.